Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is algebraic expression. In this chapter, we are going to learn how expressions are formed in detail, about their terms, about their coefficients also. So, first of all, let us revise what do you mean by variables and constant, as you have learnt in your previous classes about variables. Variables is something whose value is not fixed. It keeps on changing. For example, x, y, z. These are the variables whose value keeps on changing. Now the second one is constant. Constant means whose value is fixed. It cannot be changed. For example, 5, 100, 50. Its value is fixed. It cannot be changed. So these are variables and constants. Now the second is how algebraic expressions are formed. So when variables are combined, with constants, using mathematical operations, that is plus, minus, multiply, divide, then we get algebraic expressions. For example, you can see here it is 3x plus 4y. So here you can see here the constant term is 3 and x, both are combining. Here also 4 and y is combining with the help of operator, that is multiplication, and here in between it is addition. So how 3x was formed? 3x was formed when 3 is multiplied with x, and how 4y is formed when 4 is multiplied by y. So such parts of an expressions which are formed separately first. So here 3x is formed first of all by multiplying 3 and 2x. So when these parts are formed separately and then added, here it is added. So when parts are formed separately and then added, then they are called terms. So here 3x and 4y are said to be terms. Let us now understand with the help of tree diagram. So now we are understanding terms and factors with the help of tree diagram. As you have learnt that terms are added. So here it can be written as 4x square plus, here it is minus sign, so you can write it as minus 3xy. Now we have to separate the terms. So in 4x square minus 3y, the terms are 4x square, and here you can see it is minus 3xy. Now factors. Factor means how 4x square and how minus 3xy is formed. So factors of 4x square will be 4 into x into x. Similarly, factors of minus 3xy will be minus 3 into x into y. Means the factors of 4x square is 4x, 4 and x are the factors of 4x square. Similarly, the factors of minus 3xy are 3 minus 3x and y. Now we are going to learn about coefficients. So how we know that what is the coefficients in an expression. So you can take the example like minus 7x square y. So the coefficient is numeric factor. So you can say that these are variables, but minus 7 is numeric factor. So coefficient will be minus 7. Similarly, here the next example is 8x square z. So here you can see 8, that is plus 8. We don't write plus 8. So here 8 is coefficient of x square z. So coefficient will be 8.